Hi, this is Kathleen with Kal-Ven Tag and Title Service located at 627 North Collington Avenue, Baltimore, Maryland. Zip code is 21205. Our phone number is 410-668-6000. Website is www.kalventagtitle.com. Hours are Monday through Saturday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and then Sunday is from 10 to 6 or 5. Today I want to talk about the difference between a substitute tag and a replacement tag renewal. On a substitute tag, you don't have the option to extend that registration, meaning the system gives you exactly what you had. Say for some reason you misplaced one of your plates, or your plate maybe kind of like got messed up, or or maybe the plate got damaged, or the police confiscated your plate for, say, insurance violation, or anything that will make you not to have your two plates or one of your plates, or maybe your plate is not readable, then, or maybe one of them is not readable, then you decide to come and because the police, if they pull you over, they're gonna tell you go get a replacement plate. So when you get in a substitute tag, the system does not allow you to extend that registration. It can only give you what you had or what you have at that point. You know, if you had, like, if that plate has expired, the system will give you an expired plate. That's what it means, you know. But with a replacement tag renewal, the system will allow you to renew and at the same time get new plates. That's the difference. And this can only apply when that vehicle has been registered for like 2 years, meaning the vehicle has been inspected. If you never got it inspected, there's no way for you to do tag renewal. You can only do tag renewal with the Maryland safety inspection, meaning you come in to me with the safety inspection, and then the system will replace that plate, will replace the old plate and then renew at the same time. Otherwise, you cannot extend it on a substitute tag. Substitute will give you exactly substitute of what you had or have at that point in time. That's what the system will give you. The system cannot renew or extend that registration, because people will come here and we give them a substitute tag. They be like, how come is for like 1 month? Yes, if your registration says it will expire in 1 month, that's exactly what the system will give you. So it's either you wait until that registration expires for you to do tag renewal, tag replacement renewal, replacement tag renewal, excuse me, yes. Replacement tag renewal, meaning you replace your plate and then renew the registration. But for a substitute tag, you can't do much. The system will just replace what you had, before probably they took your plate or whatever you currently have. That's what the system will give you. So for a substitute tag, what you will need will be, you need the registration card for me to do this. You give me the registration card or the VIN or tag number or the title number of this vehicle. Whatever information you have on the vehicle is what I'm going to need. And then I'm gonna need your old plate or plates. Some people will just want to do substitute to get maybe a bay plate, or they do substitute to replace the plate, probably because they were pulled over by police and the police confiscated your plate. When the police confiscate your plate, that means there's a flag on you. So if there's a flag on you, remember the system will not let me issue this plate. You have to go take care of all these flags that you have in order for the system to allow you to do a substitute plate. Usually when you get pulled over and your plate is confiscated by the police, it's usually you had like insurance lapse, MVA wrote you to come in with new insurance and they didn't get your attention after like a month, then MVA will flag you. And once they flag you, your registration will be suspended, and the police would, the MVA will order the police, to pick up this plate, So meaning if you get pulled over, the police will be impounding your vehicle and taking your plate to put you off the road because you're driving without insurance. So definitely if you're coming to get a substitute plate at this point, the system will not allow me. You must go take care of the insurance lapse that you currently have in order for the system to allow you to get plates. So you have the option of going to MVA or calling collections to start a payment plan. When you start a payment plan, they will leave that flag or flags that you have. But remember, if you have more than one flag, you have to go take care of all these flags in order for the system to allow you. Any type of flag whatsoever or flags will not allow you to get a substitute plate. Your account must be free and clear in order for you to get this plate. So as for a substitute tag, what you will need will be the registration or the VIN, the title number, or the old plate number. I'm gonna need the old plate or plate, depending on how many you have left. For someone who is coming to me because their plate is messed up, probably might have both, or maybe might have one, or one of them fell off. That's when you come for a substitute plate. Or maybe it was how do I put it? It was confiscated and also messed up or whatsoever, you know. So the second thing, okay, the registration, like I said, VIN or tag number. Then the second one will be your old plate, and then the third one will be your registration, your driver's license. Sorry, your driver's license. So if you give me these three, then I'll be able to issue a substitute tag. Remember, if you don't have the old plate, you're free to stop by at NVA or any tag and title to drop off this plate, you know, because once we issue plates, you are responsible for the old plates. As for replacement tag renewal, this is a system that will allow you to renew your registration, like I said, and also give you plates. This is for people who want to switch from probably 30 days. Okay, you did 30 days and now you want to switch to historic. Yes, if you want to switch from 30 days to historic, yeah, the system will allow me to do so. And what you need to bring to me, you bring me your license, you bring me your old plate, and then you bring me your registration. Bring your insurance just in case, because I might put your information in the system and there's no insurance in the system to do this. So what I will need, yeah, from you know, to process this will be the registration, your old registration with your driver's license, and also what else? And the old plate. Old plates, your old registration, and your driver's license. If you don't have the plate, you know, just copy the tag number, the old tag number, or the current tag number that you have, the VIN or title number, or what else? Tag number, VIN number, and or you bring your registration, whichever one. So this is all about this. And then for tag renewal, replacement tag renewal, there are 4 scenarios that might, you know, that might make you to replace your plate. I do have some people. Okay, the first one would be when you're switching from a 30-day to historic. If you're switching from a 30-day to historic, you don't have to give me the mainland safety inspection. All you gotta do is to give me your registration card, tag number, or title number or VIN of this vehicle, your old plate, and then your driver's license. The second scenario will be when your plate, like I said, has been confiscated by the police for lack of insurance, or who knows, for some reason. I don't know. Sometimes it could be like work order. The police gave you work order and you never got whatever work order they gave you fixed. The police will impound your vehicle, will put you off the road. So in this case, anytime your plate is confiscated, there's a flag on you. Either work order, SERO flag, or insurance lapse, or emission. Yes, it could be emission test. You fail to do the emission test. This will be the scenarios, you know, whereby, you know, the police will confiscate your plate. Lack of insurance, emission test. You fail to do the emission test, and the third one will be work order. Yes, work order. So the second scenario, like I said, police confiscated your plate, and now you're trying to get a replacement plate, you know, to drive. Remember, if there's a flag on you, like I said, you can't get plate. So all you do is just call NVA, take care of all your flags, make sure you clean, your record is free and clear. That's the only way you can get plates. So to do this, you bring me your old plate. First of all, let me start with it. So you bring me your registration card, or the VIN, or the title number, or the tag number. The second one will be the mainland safety inspection. This will be if the police pulled you over because you did not have insurance and you had 30 days on this vehicle. So when you come into me now, the system will not let you get a substitute tag. Before, the system will allow you, but now for some reason NVA has stopped that. So if your plate, if your plate is confiscated on a 30-day, that means, I don't know if you carry the vehicle on your head to go get it inspected, or you tow it. If you like, carry it on your head. Carry it on your head to go and get it inspected. That's your business. Yeah? Or you tow the vehicle to and from the inspection station. But if it fails, that's when you're going to be towing back and forth. You're going to be towing back and forth. So you got to do right. Do right so that you don't go through all this mess, you know. You'll be frustrated because for you to come get plates, you must bring me the mainland safety inspection. The system will not give you a substitute tag because this plate has expired. If it was still valid for that 30 days, the system would have allowed you to get like a temp tag. But whenever the police confiscate your plate, that means there's a flag on you already. It will not let you get plates. There are 3 scenarios, you know, whereby your vehicle, you know, the police will confiscate, like I said. Emission test, failure to do emission test, insurance violation, you know, no insurance, and the third one will be work order, SERO, work order. I don't even know. You made a video on this. I can't even remember the full meaning. There's I've forgotten. I'm so sorry about this. Yeah, just use the word work order, but the system will say SERO. Yeah, let me Google it, you know, because I don't like to leave you guys confused. Safety equipment repair order. Yes, Kal-Ven is smart. Safety equipment repair order. This is like when the police pulls you over for maybe trafficating lights, you know, not working, or bumper fell off, the police say replace and you fail to do it. They'll flag you. When you give it 10 days for you to get it fixed, when you don't fix it, that will be the situation whereby you'll be flagged. So when you keep driving and you get pulled over, the police will confiscate your plate, and then when you come into me, there's already a flag on you for failure to do the work order. So it's either you go take care of this. Yeah, I don't know if you carry the vehicle on your head to go get it fixed. So what you do, it's not what I'm talking about in this video, because I don't want this video to be long. Go get it fixed, call police at the station where, yeah, you know, like the place, you know, where you did the inspection, so that the police will come see it, you know, and sign off on it. Or maybe the inspector should be able to sign off on it, fix it, and then sign off on it, and then you call MVA for them to leave the flag, or you call the police for them to leave the flag. I believe once the inspector leaves the flag, you should be able to get the, you know, you should be able to come to me. Once they leave the flag and you're clear, then you can come get plates. So in that scenario, you're gonna need the registration card, the VIN, title number, and the tag number. So if the vehicle was, if your vehicle was impounded due to lack of insurance on a 30-day, I'm gonna need the Maryland safety inspection, auto insurance, and your driver's license. So when you come into me this time, you must show me proof of insurance, and then you must have the Maryland safety inspection. So this is on a vehicle that got confiscated. The police confiscated your tags due to lack of insurance. That's what we're talking about here, and you had 30-day registration on it. So I will need the registration, or VIN, or title number, or tag number, Maryland safety inspection, auto insurance, and your license. So the third scenario will be an expired plate over 2 years on a vehicle that has already gone through the Maryland safety inspection. When your plate expires after 2 years, or maybe a year plus, let me take this call. Kal-Ven Tag and Title Service, may I help you? When your vehicle expires over 12 months, tag and title people will not be able to process. You can only go to MVA to renew your registration, or renew your registration, or do whatever you want to do with MVA. Renew your registration. So if your plate has expired for 2 years and you don't want to go to MVA, and you come to me, I'll do a replacement tag renewal. What will happen is that you have to turn in your old plate. That's the only way I can help you. Otherwise, you have to go to MVA for MVA to renew your registration on that same plate. But if you're coming to me because you don't want to go to MVA, you bring in your old plate. I'll turn the plates, I'll cancel the plate, meaning I'll return the plate to MVA and you start a new registration. So this will be a replacement tag renewal once I do this. Or it could be new registration only, I'm not sure. But yes, the system, if you're doing, you do replacement tag renewal, meaning the system will cancel out the old plate and then we will start a new registration. Otherwise, if the system refuses to renew for you, you have to go to MVA and MVA will renew that same, will renew your registration on that same plate. But if you're coming to me, you must turn in your old plates to come to me. So what you will need will be the registration card or the title number or the tag number, your old plates, your driver's license. That's what I will need. Then the first scenario will be expired plate, switching to a bay plate or agriculture. This is like your vehicle the plate has expired and you want to renew your registration and then get a bay plate instead of getting a regular plate. So if you're getting new plates on a registration that's expired and you want to switch to a bay or agricultural plate, then what you do is bring me the registration card or the VIN or the title or the tag number. Bring me your old plate and your driver's license. Like I said, this will be on a vehicle that's been registered, that you have done the mainline safety inspection. As long as that vehicle, you have done the mainline safety inspection, the system will allow me to renew. Will replace the plate. It will allow me to switch from that 30-day, from your old registration that's already expired to the new plate or to the bay or agricultural plate. So I will need the registration card, the VIN or the tag number or the title number, your old plate, and then your driver's license. So that will do it for this video. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 410-668-6000. I can be reached. You're free to go to my website, which is www.kalventagtitle.com. Hours, like I said, is from Monday through Saturday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and Sunday is from 10 to 6 p.m. or 10 to 5. So please call us to make sure you have the right hours before driving to us. So this will end this video. If you have any questions, like I said, you know where to find me. Thank you. I'm located at 627 North Collington Avenue, Baltimore, Maryland. Zip code is 21205. Thank you.